Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to remove audio devices on your Mac. Right now, I have several audio devices in my Mac, but I have no idea about this. So how to remove this one? It's very simple tips and tricks. I will provide you detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply click here the Apple menu. System setting. Inside the system settings, sound options are available, and look at this here, several audio output and input options are available here, but I have no idea about this one, Rode connected virtually. How we remove this one, we will see how we remove this one. It's very simple. Just simply click here finder, and after that here go, then go to folder, and here you need to put it here /library/audio and enter. So look at this here, so many audio related informations are available here. So we just enter here plugin, click inside the plugin HAL. Inside the HAL here, look at this here, Rode connected, contact configuration, Rode resources, and remaining informations are available here. We just simply delete this one, add here password, delete this one, add the password, again come here and search any other Rode components are available or not. We can go back here and search here those devices. So I just simply delete. After that close, and look at this here, some of the automatically delete, but those one we need to restart your laptop, and then after those sound output is automatically removed in your Mac operating system. This is a simple process to remove this extra sound options. It's easy. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.